Learn English. Hello, everybody. Here are the 2 words for today. If you save somebody, you will be a... Correct. Number 2, up and... Number 1, please listen and write this in your notebook. Bob has many heroes. Bob has many heroes. Heroes. Brave people or characters that help people. Now we can make a flashcard for heroes. 1 hero. 2 heroes. With ES only. Please make a card like this. Write hero up here in the top left corner. H-E-R-O. Down here, P-E-O 1. This means people, level 1. And over here the number 24 out of 78. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Hit. Row. Hero. Number 2, please listen and write this in your notebook. We will go down. We will go down. Down. You will not go up in the elevator. You will go down towards the ground. Now we can make a flashcard for down. There are many ways to use this word. It is an adverb, a preposition. If you say tears are falling down her face. Verb, noun, adjective, very common word. Please make a card like this. Write down up here in the top left corner, D-O-W-N. Down here in this corner, G-W-1. This means grammar, word, level 1. And over here the number 37 out of 135. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The red part sounds like ow, dow, down. Game over. You did very well today. Today we learned hero, yes, a person that helps somebody. And up and down, correct. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words for today. Number 1, a thought. Yes, similar to an idea in your head. Number 2 means, are you finished? We say, are you done? Very good. Number 3, in between. Yes, when you have 2 things and something here, it is in between the blue pen and the red pen. Today is Friday, July 4th. An important day in America. If you are new, welcome. This is a complete 2-year course. You can join anytime. Please write your language on the other side of the card. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching.